Step 1. We must remove the puzzle pieces. Okay, they're all out. Can we put them back in? No, we can't do it? Are you sure? Try again. Try again. Good job. Where's the giant? Good job. Try again. Oh, that's not the king and queen. Yes, Bruce, the world hears you. What is it? Is it a dragon? Yeah. Where does it go? Oh, now that's silly. Where does it go? Yay! Hurry. You have 50 seconds. What's next? Very good. What's next? That's not the ghost. Where's the ghost? There it is. There's one more piece. Good job! Yay! Can I high five? Hey, high five? High five? Nope. Denied.